Make delectable vermicelli khichadi with just a scan and Wi-Fi-enabled LG scan-to-cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select Vermicelli Khichadi from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. In a microwave-safe bowl, add oil, rai, chana dal, curry leaves and chopped onion and mix well. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, mix well and add tomato. Mix well again. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, mix well and add vermicelli, water, salt, red chili powder, haldi and garam masala. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven again and press start. Your delectable vermicelli khichadi made with LG scan-to-cook charcoal microwave oven is ready in no time. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG scan-to-cook microwave oven.